Okay, so I do have my Dremel. Big thing I'm looking to try is this. I got my drill because this is not going to fit my Dremel, obviously. But this is meant for carving bowls and stuff. So I'm going to try it out and see how it works. That's my look for that, guys. That's going to be my messy fun. I know it's kind of cheating, but it's a good cheating. And of course I got my Dremel to do some fine finishing work for detail if I want. But this whole thing is getting laid aside for now. Because right now I'm still focused on fire. And I really think I should do some more splits because I want to stay warm. And I want to try to warm it up a bit more. This thing over here is not going to cooperate at all. The nose is not. Oh yeah, I got this too, look. Might be able to do something with this. Maybe a ladle or something. I don't know. We'll see. Let's have a look at the fire, shall we? Oh yeah. I made a little makeshift cover to put on that. I'm going to use my footrest to keep the door closed now. Ha ha ha. Works. And hey, I'm all a fan of if it works, use it. Yeah. Weird, but okay. One froze, one didn't. Got Mr. Noodles left there too. Wood time. And a little bit. I bring out another pair of these because I didn't know if I'd left these ones out here or not. But in any event, I'm going to take these ones in and leave my other ones that I bring out here. Because the other ones are, well, whenever I find them, if I even bother to look for them. It's more like it. The other ones they don't have grips or anything. This is my new set. Got my block back now. Too long for the stove. going to be my next little bit of time. It's just going to be doing this, guys. So it looks like it could be a hard one. Maybe not so bad. No, not so bad. It looked worse than it was. Some of them are like that. This got the potential to be something. I'm saving some little bits in that as I'm going along, like that I can process and make stuff out of, you know? Wire back there to keep the wood up. Off the ground a little bit. It's not really the ground, but it's still damp on the bottom. The bad thing about having that little pan in there is you gotta feed the fire more because there's not as much room. Right now I've got a really good bit of coals going. So it's not so bad. But still got to feed the fire more. Just because you can't get as much wood in there. Because the pan is taking up a lot of the space. And that makes a big difference, you know? Still splitting some wood. How much wood is enough to split? There's a question. Depends on how much time I'm going to be out here. Do I know what time I'm going in yet? No, I do not. I do have it almost 40 degrees in here now. So the temperature is going up. 40 degrees isn't even 5 degrees Celsius. So it's going up, but it's going up slowly. But as long as it's moving in that upward direction, that's a good thing. This piece is going to be a bit tough. Yep. Everybody wants to send me something really substantial. Log splitter. Any log splitting companies out there wants their stuff tested? I will test a log splitter gladly. This one does not want to split at all. There we go. I'll take it from the other side. Here's my stick. Yep, most definitely a log splitter will be. It's so grey out here. And not just out here. I do have a plan to get a wood stove in my house. Why? I like it. And it'll substitute heating cost. Because I wouldn't need a lid all the time. But then I wouldn't have to worry about as much of a heating bill as what I have. Which is not that bad anyway. But rather on a house. I'll get back with you.